Let's learn the difference between fraction and rational numbers. Fractions are considered as a part of whole. They are a part of whole. It's a part of whole. It's 1 over 3. It's the one part out of 3 part. If I happen to divide this circle, this one circle in 3 parts, this is fraction is just one part out of these 3 parts, a part of whole. We can also define this fraction as the ratio of or the quotient of integers. It can be written in the form of a over b, where a and b both belong to integers and b is not equal to 0. One more curiosity is there, whether fraction can be negative or not. Of course it is possible, because a and b both belong to integers, so a and b can be integers. It can be negative also. For example, if a is positive and b is negative, for example a is say +2 and b is -3, in this case we can express this fraction as 2 over -3, but the denominator cannot be negative, so it becomes 2 minus times 2 over 3. So the fraction can be negative. So if I want to define the rational numbers, then rational numbers are also the numbers which can be written in the form of a over b, or they are the quotient of integers where a and b belong to I and b not equal to 0. The small difference between rational numbers and fraction is the fraction is a part of whole, whereas the rational number itself are whole numbers. For example, if I say that there is one integer, say -2. -2 is integer, and this integer is a part of the set rational numbers, but because this is not, it itself is a whole number, so I should not mention it's a whole number, because whole number includes all the numbers from 0 and the natural number. That itself is whole, so it's not a part of anything. Though every integer is a rational number, but they does not belong to the set of fraction. This is a small difference which makes fraction different from rational number. Though I can say that fraction is a subset of rational number, fraction is a subset of rational number, but every rational number is not a subset of fraction. Every fraction is a rational number, but every rational number is not a fraction.